Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 122 of Surah Al Imran and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إذ همت طائفتان منكم أن تفشلا والله وليهما وعلى الله فليتوكل المؤمنون. إذ Hamza will be very sharp and the sound of E should be E. Kasra should be E. إذ and you will give Rakhawa on Ra. Keep how you create Rakhawa. You keep the makhraj engaged until the Rakhawa is done. إذ. So the makhraj of dal is touching the tip of your tongue to the edge of the upper two teeth. So إذ. So you are engaging this makhraj throughout the time. Ha from your throat. There shouldn't be any misty sound into it. It's ha. It's not ha. It's ha. And give akmal gunna on meme. Hammat and meme is attached with ta because this is idgham. So inshallah we'll study later on, but just to know that this is idgham. So you are attaching this meme into this ta. Ham, first give gunna here and then attach with ta. Maq, maq. As soon you will leave meme, your tongue should be lifted up to pronounce ta. Maq, will be 2 counts long. E, Hamza is very sharp. For kasra, give E sound. Fa, is short. And give hums always whenever you see fa. Fa, ta is 2 counts long. Ni, short. إذ هم طائفتان من. This is ikhfa and that is a light ikhfa. You keep your tongue straight and it sounds like ink, but you're not saying ink, but you're starting to say ink. Min, minkum, for the circle your lips. Attach with me will get sifa of the wasat. Keep your lips circled on kaf, but as you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position. Kum, Hamza is very sharp. When you are creating ikhfa, you are not dropping this sharp sound of Hamza. It will stay there. And then you will create ikhfa. And what ikhfa is, you are not saying the sound of noon. You're going towards the makhraj of ta. You're keeping the sound in your nose. And the others name of ikhfa is gunna. The gunna is that compulsory in ikhfa that some scholars say the name of this ikhfa, they give the name of this ikhfa gunna. So keep the sound in your nose very nicely. Taf, that is very sharp, attached with fa. Fa will get a sifa of hums. Taf, sha is short. La, 2 counts long. Wow, so for wow, circle your lips, attach with lafz jalala, and lafz jalala will be heavy here because there is fatha before it. Well, lo is 2 counts long. Woo, for the circle your lips. The sound is very short. Wali, wow is very, for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. And the sound is very short. Wali, lam, for kasra, give e sound, attach with ya. And here you will apply a number. What number is? When you are attaching this lam with ya, this is the place where you will create number, and number is a jump of sound. You are like you are giving a raise to the voice. Wali, wali, you, and you is normal. Circle your lips very nicely, and the sound is short. Who, circle your lips, and sound is short. Ma, 2 counts long. Wali, you, ma, wa. Well, for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Ain from your throat, and the sound is short. La, this lam will be light, but as you'll touch the sound of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, that will be heavy, and it is long by default. Ala he is short. Fa, always when you'll see fa, you have to give hums. Hums is a important part of saying fa. Fal, and give tawassut on lam. Fal, yeah is very soft. You are raising your tongue up, but your tongue is not touching the palate. So the sound is very soft. Yeah, ta, ta is sharp and short. What, for wow, circle your lips. You're not using teeth for pronouncing wow. Attach with kaf. What, ka is short. Lil, for kasra, give e sound. Attach with lam. Lam will get sif of tawassut. Lil, mu, for dhamma, circle your lips. Attach with hamza. Hamza will be very sharp, and the sound will cut off there, and then mu, mi, for kasra, give e sound. Noon, mad adat lisukun is making this 4 counts long, and at the end, when you are giving sukoon on noon, it will get tawassut. Mu'minun. Wa, for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. La, short. Qad, qaf is heavy. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala. Wala, qad. Na is light. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Sod, for sod, you're making sound heavy, and the sound is short. Na, so is short. Ro is heavy. Na, ro, ku. As soon you will touch kaf, you're giving, you're circling your lips very well. Mullahu, for dhamma, circle your lips, and as you will touch the sound Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, that will be heavy because you can see dhamma before it. Whenever there is dhamma or fatha before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, that will be heavy, and it is long by default. Mullahu, who is short. B, for kasra, give e sound. Bad, keep bal light and attach with dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala. Bad, riyum, for kasra, give e sound. Don't drop this e sound, even though you are creating idgham right after it. But be careful about the sound of ri. Riyum. And keep the sound in your nose too, because this is gone with gunna. Wa, for wow, circle your lips, for open your jaws. Hamza is very sharp, and make ikhfa. Tum, for dhamma, circle your lips. Attach with mim will get sifa of tawassut. Hamza is very sharp. Dil, for kasra, give e sound. Attach with lam. La, ha will get rakhawa, because when we stop, we change this two dotted ta into ha. Adillah. So there will be rakhawa. The sound should flow. Fatta, fa will get hums. Attached with ta. Ta is very sharp. Fatta. The sound chops off. It's so sharp that it cuts away right there and then. Fatta, ta is short. For dhamma, circle your lips, attached with lam, and lafz jalala will be heavy because you can see dhamma before it. Allah is heavy and 2 counts long. Ha, short. La, short. Al, I'm from your throat, attached with lam, and for fatha, open your jaws. La, al, kum, for dhamma, circle your lips. As soon you will touch mim, your lips should be in a straight position, and it should get tawassut. The tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Kum, the same is tawassut. Tash, there will be rakhawa, tafashi, and it should be like tashku for Dhamma. Circle your lips. Urun. After making raw heavy, you are making it 4 counts long and give tawassut on noon. إذ تقول للمؤمنين إذ, the Hamza is very sharp. Dal will get rakhawa. إذ, ta is very sharp and the sound is short. Qaf is heavy and 2 counts long. Lu is short and for Dhamma circle your lips. Taqulu lil, for kasra give E sound. It should be very clear E sound and attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Lil mu, for Dhamma circle your lips. As soon you will touch Hamza, your lips should be in a straight position and the sound should cut right away. Mu, mi, for kasra give E sound, the sound is short. Ni, 2 counts long. Na, short. A, Hamza is very sharp. Lay, idgham with gunna. Lay, yak, for kaf, give hums. Yak, fi, for kasra give E sound and fa will get hums. Hums, very nicely. Fi, yeah is soft. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. Fi, yeah, kum, for Dhamma circle your lips. Give the wasut on meme. Your lips should be in a straight position. Ay, idgham with gunna. Ay, ew, for Dhamma circle your lips. The sound is short and soft. Need, for kasra give E sound. Don't drop this E sound. Need, that is short. Kum, for Dhamma circle your lips. Attached with meme will get sifa of the wasut. Kum, bu, ra is heavy. Attached with ba will get, it's a very sharp sound. Bu, for Dhamma circle your lips. Kum. This is ikhfa shafawi. So hold a sound in your nose very nicely. Ikhfa gets gunna. This gunna should be longer. Rabbukum bi. The sound is very short. Tha, short. La, 2 counts long. Tha, short. Ti, short. Bi, thalathati. Hamza is very sharp and it is 2 counts long. La, 2 counts long. Fim, idgham with gunna. And this is akmal gunna. Be careful. Give a nice time. Fim, mi means short. Nal, give tawassut on lam. Nal, ma, short. La, 4 counts long. I, short. Ka, short. And there's no hums. Ti, short. No hums, without hums, because kaf and ta will get hums when there will be a sakoon. There's no sakoon, so no hums. Ka, ti, mu, for meme, dhamma, for dhamma, circle your lips. Mum, ikhfa. So you will circle your lips when you are pronouncing meme, but as soon you will touch in ikhfa, your lips should be in a straight position. Za. This is buzzing sound. Zali. 4 counts long and give tawassut when you will give sakoon at the end. Ba, 2 counts long. Ba, very sharp and the sound is very short. La, 2 counts long. If you are not continuing your recitation, then it will be 2 counts long. Bala, bala. So I'm giving stop. I'm making it 2 counts long. But if I'm not stopping here, then I will say bala. Tasbiru. Why is this so? Because when you're stopping, you're not considering this. There is hamza there. So you will make it 2 counts long. As soon you will continue your recitation, you can see hamza after a long vowel. So you will make it 4 counts long. So I'm stopping here. So I'm making 2 counts long. Bala. Hamza is very sharp. And ikhfa, so this is light ikhfa, and with ta, the ikhfa is very different. Keep your tongue straight and create this sound. This, ta is light, sad is heavy. Be careful to make ta light and sad heavy. This, and sa will get rakhawa, safir, and it is heavy. B for kasra, give E sound. Oru, it is 2 count long, and circle your lips very nicely. Tasbiru, wa, for wow, circle your lips. That, ta, ta is very sharp, attached with ta, sharp sound. And for fatha, open your jaws, and the sound is very short. Ta, ta, oo. For dhamma, circle your lips and make off heavy. Wa, yeah. Yeah, is very soft, and Hamza is very sharp. Subhanallah. So balance it nicely. Wa, yeah. Two for the circle lips and make it 2 counts long. Kum for the circle lips. And this is idgham shafawi, idgham shafawi. So give a kamila gunna here. Nice gunna, longer gunna. Kum, yeah. This is ikhfa and this is light ikhfa. So keep your tongue straight. Faw, and give humps, very nice humps on fa. Give a nice opening for fatha and attach with waw. This is lean, so give 2 counts long. Fawri for kasra, give E sound, and the sound is very short. Him for kasra, give E sound, attach with meme. You will get sifa of tawassut. Ha, ha. 2 counts long, and this should be from your throat and no misty sound. The 2 counts long. You for the circle your lips, attach with meme, and meme will get sifa of tawassut. Did for kasra, give E sound. Don't drop this E sound and create qalqala here. Did. Kum for the circle your lips, attach with meme, you will get sifa of tawassut. Rabu for ra is heavy, attached with ba. Ba will get ba is very sharp sound. Rab, and the sound will cut off right there, but you will not discontinue the sound because there is dhamma on it. Rabu, rabu. For the circle lips, the sound is very short. Kum, ikhfa shafui. So you will give kamila gunna. Bi for kasra, give E sound. Kham. Kha is heavy. For fatha, open jaws, attach with meme. We will get sifa of tawassut. Khams. Sa is very short. T for kasra, give E sound, and sound is sharp. 2 counts long. La, 2 counts long. Fim, idgham with gunna, and this is akmal gunna. Fim, mi for kasra, give E sound. Nal for fatha, open your jaws, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Ma, short. La, 4 counts long. E for hamza is very sharp. For kasra, give E sound. Ka, short. T, short. Min al-malaikati, mu for the circle lips, the sound is short. So we seen is very short, but as it will touch wow, it will get nabar, and wow and ya, whenever these are with the tashdid, will get sifa of nabar. So we when you are attaching seen with wow, this is the place where noon is, where nabar is applied. So we for kasra, give E sound. Me. ماذا عدد للسكون, make it 4 counts long, and give tawassut at the end when you're giving سكون on noon. وما جعله الله إلا بشرى لكم ولتطمئن قلوبكم به وما النصر إلا من عند الله العزيز الحكيم. وهو circle your lips, for fatha, open your jaws. Ma, 2 counts long. Ja is short. A, from your throat. The sound is short. La short. Woo. Ha is very short. And from your throat, lafz jalala will be heavy and 2 counts long. It is heavy because you can find dhamma before it. Who is short. Illa hamza is very sharp, and don't drop this hamza e sound for of kasra and attach with lam. Illa la is 2 counts long. Whoosh for dhamma, circle your lips, attach with sheen. Sheen will get sifa of rakhawa, and the first she. Whoosh. Ra is 2 counts long. La short. Kum for the circular lips. Attach with me, we will get sifa of the wasat. Kum. Wa for wow circular lips. For fatah open jot. Li for kasra give e sound. Taqo. Ta is light. Po is heavy. Taqo. Keep ta light. To heavy, and give the qalqala on to. Taqo. Ma is short. In hamza is very sharp, attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of akmal gunna. Akmal gunna. So give nice time. In, but fatha is very short. Na. U off is heavy, and circle your lips. The sound is very short. U lu is 2 counts long. Wu for the circle your lips, and sound is very short. Kum ikhfa shafi, and so kamila gunna. Kum, and then there is a stop. So this ha will get sifa of rakhawa because you are giving sukun at the end. B. Keep ba short and give rakhawa on ha. B. Woman for wow circle list for fatah punjab attach meme with noon. It is not anymore long because you can see that this meme is attached with noon. When it is attached with anything, then this long vowel drops. Woman else. Noon is light and sod is heavy. Nas, and sod will get rakhawa and safir, and it will be heavy. Nas ra is short, and for dhamma circle your lips. Il hamza is very short. Illa la is 2 counts long. Min for kasra give e sound and attach with noon. Noon is with idhar, and it will get sifa of tawassut because there is idhar. Min for kasra give e sound and there is ikhfa. Keep your tongue straight. Dil for kasra give e sound, and lafz jalala will be light because you can see kasra before it. Dil la, it will be 2 counts long always. Hil for kasra give e sound, attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Hil ain from your throat, and the sound is very short. Z 2 counts long. Zil, that sound is the sound of za is very sharp. Zil ha from your throat, and it should have misty sound before fatha. Ha, and fatha is very short. Ki mad added lisakun, so you're making it 4 counts long, and there's the wasut on meme because you're giving sukun at the meme. وَمَا النَّصْرُ إِلَّا مِنْ عِنْدِ اللَّهِ الْعَزِيزِ الْحَكِيمِ. ليقطع طرفا من الذين كفروا أو يكبتهم. Li for kasra give e sound. Yaqa, yeah, keep ya very light, and qaf give qalqala on qaf. Yaqa, qa is heavy and short. Ain from your throat, and the sound is short. Li yaqa qa is heavy, and the sound is short. Ora is heavy. Ora fam. Idgham with gunna. The gunna is akmal gunna, so give a nice keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Qa fam for kasra give e sound. Nal attach noon with lam. Nal, la is short. The, two counts long. Na, short. Ka, short. And there is no hums. Ka, fa. There is hums always when you see fa. Ka, fa, ru. Two counts long and make it heavy. And circle your lips for dhamma. Ow. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws, attach it well. And this is two counts long because this is lean. Ow. Yak. Keep very soft for fatha upon your jaws, attached with kaf. Kaf will get sip of hums because this is with sukoon. Yak, d for kasra give e sound. Ta, short. Hum for the circular lips attached with meme. We will get sifa of the wasut. Hum. Fa for fa give hums. Ya, yang. This is keep very soft. You are not touching the palate, so there is no pressure whatsoever there in and give ikhfa, and this ikhfa is heavy because of is among heavy letters, so ikhfa will be heavy. Fayang o is short. Li for kasra give e sound. Bu, two counts long. Kho is heavy and this is four counts long. E very sharp and short sound. Bean. Four counts long and give the wasat on noon because it will get sukoon because of the vak. Fayang qalibu khaibin. Laysa. Lay is two counts long. Sa is short. La short. Ka short. Lay. Lay is why it is long because this is lean. Laysa laka mi for kasra. Give e sound. Nal. Give the wasat on lam. Hamza is very short and sharp and give the wasat on meme. Ri. Ri is short and light because there is kasra under ra. Shay. This is lean, two counts long. Un. This will get the wasut and it is izhar. Shay'un. Ow. Hamza is very sharp. Attach with wow. This is two counts long. Ow. Yeah. Yeah is very soft. Yeah is very soft. Here short. Two counts long. Ba short. Here two ba. I'm from your throat. Lay, two counts long because this is harf lean. Him for kasra give e sound attached with meme. We will get sifa of the wasut. Ow, hamza is very sharp and it is two counts long because this is lean. Ow, you for dhamma circular lips. The sound is very short. Ein from your throat, and as soon you will touch dal, it will get rakhawa, nice rakhawa. The kasra is very short. Ba short. Hum for the circular lips and attached with meme, you will get sifa of the wasut. أو يتوب عليهم أو يعذبهم. Give hums. In for kasra give e sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna. Akmal gunna should be there. Inna short hum. Hum for the circular lips attached with me will get sifa of the wasut. Wa two counts long. Li for kasra give e sound. Moon four counts long and get the wasut. Walillahi for wow circle your lips, for fatha open yours. Lil for kasra give e sound attached with lam, and lips jalala will be light here because there is kasra before it. Lillah, it will be always two counts long. He short. Ma two counts long. Peace for kasra give e sound attached with seen. Seen will get sifa of raqawa and safid and light. Peace. Sa is short. Ma two counts long. Wa two counts long. T for kasra give e sound. Wa short. Ma two counts long. Feel for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Wa ma fil aw. Hamza is very sharp attached with ra. Ra will get sifa of the wasut. and God will get sifa of rakhawa. The sound should flow. Il you will not drop this sifa of tawassut and then give a rakhawa on God. If you cannot handle it, you can cover it with your hand, God. So you can give rakhawa tawassut nicely on ra, and then feel yeah, it's very soft, and ghain give rakhawa, and that is heavy, and give nice rakhawa on ghain. Fi for kasra give e sound. Oru is short, and it is heavy. Firu li for kasra give e sound. May idgham with gunna, so give nice gunna. It is akmal gunna. Li yeah, it's very soft and short. Sh 4 counts long. U for the circular lips, the sound is very short and sharp. W U for yeah, is very soft for the circular lips. Ain from your throat. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with dal. Dal will get sifa for rakhawa. Di for kasra give e sound. You are giving rakhawa when you are joining this ain with dal. And kasra is very short. Di bu for the circular lips, the sound is short. May yasha. We are giving nabar on hamza when you're giving bak on hamza after mad, it will get nabar, and nabar is a jump of sound. May yasha. Wallahu for waw circular lips, for fatha open your jaws, attached with lam, and lafz jalala will be heavy because you can see fatha before it. Wallahu, who is short, and circular lips for dhamma. Ghain is heavy, and the sound is short. For fatha open jaws. Fu dhamma for dhamma circular lips, it is 2 counts long. This is idgham. Ro is short. Heem 4 counts long, and give tawassut on meme when you are stopping and giving sukoon. Wallahu ghafurur rahim. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.